Welcome to this video that will show you how to make a payment to SARS using the SARS Mobi app for smartphones and tablets. The first step is to log in. Enter your username and password. Then tap on My Services. Under My Services, tap on IT Statement of Account. Your statement of account will show you the amount that is either due to you as a refund from SARS or the amount you owe SARS. The other way to pay on the Mobi app is to go to your Notice of Assessment by tapping the View Assessment icon. If you owe SARS money, tap Pay Now at the bottom of the screen. You will see the amount that you need to pay. You must choose or add the bank account details from which you want to pay SARS. Then tap Proceed at the bottom of the screen. Your name, taxpayer reference number, a payment reference number, a description which is personal income tax payment, and the amount due will be displayed. Tap Pay Now at the bottom of the screen. A pop-up message will ask you to either confirm or edit the payment. Tap Continue. You will receive a message that confirms that the payment was successfully submitted to the bank. Tap Finish. Thank you for your payment to SARS. SARS, at your service.